Today is going to be a short video. It's a guided meditation for your inner Shakti Kundalini journey, darkness to divine light. It will help make you feel more relaxed right before you go to sleep. And then after this video, the intention should be you will have a restful night's sleep. It's all by intention, and we need to do this for ourselves to be able to work with the universal energies within us and all around us. So now let's get comfortable. You can choose to sit up during this guided meditation, or you can choose to lay down. Now close your eyes. I'm going to count from 10 to 1, and then this guided meditation will begin. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You begin to get more relaxed. You should be focusing on your root chakra. This is Kundalini energy. You have the inner power to activate this. So think of your root chakra. Imagine a golden white ball of light at the base of your spine, the bottom of your spine, which is the root chakra. Now, let's visualize this. And not only visualize, you want to be able to access all your senses, your spiritual senses. So let's feel it as well. And let's know it's true. In your mind, visualize the ball of light coming upward, the root, then to the sacral, and let it purify your sacral. Feel the divine energy within you. Focus on this. Now let's focus on the solar plexus. Imagine the ball of light from your root chakra going to the solar plexus, and this is your abdominals. Ego resides here, but so does confidence. So purify your solar plexus by thinking of the ball of light from your root going to the solar plexus. Let's do the same thing. The ball of light from the root to the heart chakra. Let's purify our heart chakra. This is compassion, love. Now the throat chakra. Think of the ball of light again. Throat chakra, this is self-expression, speaking your truth, not being afraid to voice your own opinion. Now the same thing on the third eye chakra. This is intuition, psychic abilities, clear senses, the inner knowing. Awaken these spiritual senses. Let's purify this. The crown chakra. The crown chakra symbolizes Shiva, and Shiva symbolizes the crown chakra. This is Shakti's divine counterpart. When we reach the crown is when we reach union. So let's purify our crown chakra, thinking of the ball of light at Shakti, the root chakra, all the way to the crown chakra. So our inner Shakti and inner Shiva can reach sacred union. Let's purify this. And let's think of these two chakras, the root and the crown, for a bit longer than the others. Thank you for joining me today at KSG Sacred Yoga and Energy. Have a great night rest. Have the pure intention of a good night's sleep, union, and also a high vibration as you awaken. Good night.